Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and go to files and check the manual download option and check the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. After the download done, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to option. After the extract done, open the extracted folder and right click on the pack file and then copy it, and then you just need to navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, you just need to open the midnight folder and content folder and packs folder and then paste the pack file we copied, and then just close stuff here and launch the game and enjoy the mod guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.